Think your car is clean? Watch this. This is the CENRR 160000PA portable car vacuum, small in size, but with suction power so strong it can lift coins. With 3 powerful speeds and 3 high-capacity batteries, you can clean anything, from crumbs to stubborn dirt, in seconds. The zero point 0.1 to 0.2 liter dust cup pops right out for quick cleaning. No mess, no hassle. And at just 65 decibels, it's quieter than a normal conversation. So you can even clean without waking the kids. USB rechargeable and totally cordless, this vacuum goes wherever you go. Car, home, office, you name it. Right now, get yours for only Rs $17,484 with our exclusive coupon. But discounts can change anytime, so grab it now before it's gone. Link in description. Clean smarter, not harder.